I never tried even running 1 kilometer.
Yes, I think January, Jan 4th,
Yeah.
we just do the registration
Yeah.
and
We did the registration.
we started the training from Jan 6, I guess.
Jan 6. And I don't know from where I get that motivation. No, I have to run here. So I have to try at least once. That pushed me a lot and that gave me a good feel, vibe that I can do this also.
I know I can finish it easily,
Yeah.
but making her to finish, it's
Yeah.
a great thing for me. Yeah, I'm Tenny. I'm from Kerala. I'm 24 years old, working in Curl as a trainer.
My name is Soumya. I am 33-year-old and I'm from Delhi. I work in Accenture as an IT person, a front-end developer and manager.
I'm an athlete. I start from when I'm studying in fourth. So I have around 20 years, more than 20 years experience. My event is long jump, 200-meter triple jump.
But I was in dance, I was in doing strength training, I was doing boxing a lot in Cult itself. And yeah, I'm doing it almost like from 5 years. And in between, I had a break, but now I again started with him as a personal training, CrossFit and all. We just started like 1 month before CrossFit training. And basically for this, I want to come to here and I started training for that. It's just 1 month. I think it's not even completed 1 month.
Yes, I think January, Jan 4th,
Yeah.
we just do the registration
Yeah.
and
We did the registration.
we started the training from Jan 6, I guess.
Jan 6.
I know the skills, I just push her, that's it.
Yeah. He made me do all this in gym, like sled pull, sled push.
Always I carry a stick. If
Yeah.
she's down,
I was never a runner. Just tried, and I think 2 weeks before I started running.
early in the morning.
Early in the morning at 5:30, so that no one can see me. Once we started from there, it's too motivating because that dialogues what he said, this was too motivating. And we started a lot, very well. And we started running. I think we crossed very easily that and went for rowing. Rowing was very great because the first thing went well. And then we become motivated more. But yeah, when we started again running, it was become tough. But then we jogged. Wherever I am down, he's trying to pull me more, motivate me more. And yeah, I think that's what we planned of.
Yes, there is no such a plan.
Plans, yeah.
Wherever we are down, the partner
Yeah,
is there,
yeah,
push, that's
yeah.
it. She's
Motivation,
motivated,
yeah.
that's far enough.
I
Yeah.
am very much motivated for this.
Because I know I can finish it easily,
Yeah.
but making her to finish, it's a
Yeah.
great thing for me.
After the kettlebell was good.
Yes.
We are easily able to do that. Box jump was very good. We are able to do that easily. Then ball throw, I think, yeah, it's the toughest one. For me at least, ball throw is the toughest one because I cannot touch it well and it's saying penalty. Penalty, no. Okay. Then he did more well than in that. Yeah.
Pull and push.
Pull and push, yeah.
That's the toughest one.
Yeah,
Because
I
we
think.
are not getting the grip.
Yeah.
For push also, we are on the toes,
It's
right? We need to
slipping a lot.
We need a grip from the legs. So we are not getting the grip. That's the
Yeah.
problem. And even pull also the same thing. We are giving the full power on the legs and we are pushing.
Yeah. My favorite zone is kettlebell carry and rowing.
Easiest is box jump.
Do it like a thief. You do it very well,
Yeah,
actually.
the thing is, try to land on the ball of the foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. In the sense, they are landing on the full foot. That is very difficult. So land on the ball of the foot. So
Yeah.
that will be easy for going squat also and coming up
Coming
also.
up also. This is done.
Just like a shock absorber.
I never tried even running 1 kilometer. And I don't know from where I get that motivation. No, I have to run here. So I have to try at least once. That pushed me a lot and that gave me a good feel, vibe that, okay, I can run also. That's a new skill I can
In
try.
her life, first time she's standing under the sun, okay.
Yeah, that's also a like thing.
Yeah.
I can't be in this much of sun ever, I think so. I never be in the competitions and all.
Usually
Like-
she used to carry umbrella or she used to take a cab or rapido for going here and there for 50 meters also. She used to take a rickshaw or something like that. The first time, no umbrella, no cabs, full standing in the sun.
that
For
I
her,
got to know about
everything is new.
myself that I can do this also.
Mayota.